Hello everybody. Now we've taken a look at the range of products from Murrelektronik. We've seen the variety that they can offer, but today we're going to look at something distinctly different. What happens after the products arrive? Customer service. So I'm here today with Mr. James Clark, who's the sales manager of Murrelektronik UK. James, you've supplied the product's gone across to the customer. Is that the end of the road for you and the customer?
Absolutely not. No, certainly not. From our perspective, we want to be with the customer from the start of the journey to the end of the journey. For us, we are a very customer-centric organisation where we want to support the customer from the start to the finish.
Okay. Can you be specific about what that actually involves?
Absolutely. We're very committed to offering the customers a high level of support. From our perspective, it just doesn't end at the product. It starts from a technical point of view, where we'll support customers with the installation, the configuration and the troubleshooting. We will design them with our support from our application engineers. We'll work with the customer directly in offering them a topology, give them multiple options and solutions that could solve their issues. As well as that, we've got a fantastic range of support, global support, as well as local support, so the customer has the advantage of taking our international knowledge as well as utilising the support in the UK.
So if, for example, you were going into an application that perhaps in the UK you'd not been in before, are you saying that you could pull the resource of that application being used in other parts of the world?
Absolutely, absolutely. We've got a fantastic technical experts throughout the globe offering 24/7 support. And that's another advantage to our service, is the fact that no matter what time we're in, we can offer the customer support, because we know how important downtime is, particularly in the automation manufacturing industry.
Yeah.
You know, time is money. So as well as offering the localized support, the global support also offers the customer 24/7 support.
That's fantastic. Okay, James, that sounds great, but that also sounds expensive to me. That sounds like quite a commitment from the company to make. So is it expensive?
Much of the expenses is part of our value, is part of our proposition that we give to the customer. So it's with any products that we sell, we support the customer directly, whether it be application support, whether it be maintenance support. We'll offer them that directly to them as a free of charge service. Of course, depending on sort of warranties and whether you want to look at more customized solution, of course there's an added cost in that. However, very, very cost effective on the market in comparison.
Okay, so if I've come to you, you've looked at my application, you've given me a spec to work with, but what you're actually saying is you'll go beyond just supplying the products.
Absolutely, we're there for the customer. That's, you know, it's very, very important certainly for me and Mur as an organisation is to work alongside the customer, be a partner to them as opposed to just a product supplier.
Okay, understood. Right, there are going to be people watching this that are going to be thinking, okay, that sounds really, really good. That sounds really... Where do they start? Where do they need to go first to find out more?
Well, first and foremost, I'd probably direct people to the website where they've got access to multiple different options, whether it be product data, data sheets, case studies, as well as the online web shop where customers can access obviously their pricing. They can also access the live stock, which is a big advantage.
Excellent. Yeah, very good. So can they talk to you?
Absolutely, yes. Myself, and I've also got a dedicated external sales team. As well as that, the sales team are there to work with the customer for new applications and to work with them on new projects. We've also got a dedicated internal team who are very, very strong in terms of customer relationships. They're working directly with the customers on a day-to-day over the phone or over email, and alongside our applications engineers, we can support the customer, whether it be technical, sales or logistics.
Okay. Right. Well, from today, what I've taken is that what Mur are doing is going a long way beyond just supplying a product and just getting it across to the customer and then leaving them with it. So that's really interesting. So thank you, James, for explaining that. I appreciate that. So if you're watching this and you're looking at these product areas and you'd like to establish more, why not talk to James and the team at Murrelektronik? Of course, the website is going to be fully available, and really would urge to look beyond just buying product, because when it boils down to it, we all know the importance of that product being backed up. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on the next interview.